Hi and welcome to my random ruminations. Well, I'm not ranting today. Today is a good day. Today is a happy day. Today is one of those days where I'm going. And the reason? Amazon just delivered my brand new computer case. I got a real deal on this. It was originally listed at like €30 and I got it for like, well, £30 and I got it for like €12 and free postage. So, you know, how do you say no to that, especially when I don't have a micro ATX case? I didn't have a micro ATX case at the time. So I just thought I would share the moment of unwrapping, and I'm going to plop it up here, and I have a video edit rendering at the moment, so, you know, just ignore that. So I'm just going to open the box. The box, what's in the box? What's in the box is another box. And it's, I don't know if you can see that, but it's a Zalman ZMT3. It's a mini tower case. And I have been looking forward to this. I ordered this a week ago and I've been looking forward to opening it ever since. Ow. Ow, that really hurt. Can I just say that using a wood chisel to open a packed box, it's not the recommended way, but it's the way I'm doing it. Okay, so drop this. And lift. Let go. Oh, baby. Come to mama. Come on. Come here. Now, I did worry when the price dropped so low that it might have been a repackaged one, but it's not. Oh. Ladies and gentlemen, I would like you all to share that most wonderful moment of unpacking anything electronics related. Oh my God, that's so good. Oh, yeah. Oh my God, that's pretty. Okay, that's my... Okay, so 2 USB in that. Let's see what it's like inside. I'm curious as to how much space I have inside this. Okay, that's the wrong side. Whoops. Oh well, I want to take both sides off anyway. Because I'm going to be cable managing the ever-living crap out of this. I love these little nuts. I mean, these little bolts. That's how one of these should be held together. I think this is going to be too tall to stand on top of that shelf, mind you. Oh well. So let's see. First, can I say as well? Nice. Good idea, good thinking, good fucking design. Finally, someone thought. Let's see. Manual with a crap ton of nuts and bolts. Know what that is. One fan. Quiet. Doesn't say what type it is, but anyway. I presume the front comes off too. How in the world would that come off? Aha! It just pops off. And yeah, it's being held in place by that cable, which is that cable, which I presume is another fan, I would say, or it's the power supply, one or the other. No, that's the LED light for the on off doohickey, and this is being held in with these, so we'll just open that. Yes, I was the kind of child that immediately wanted to take their toys apart to see how they worked. Out you come. Okay, so that's the front of the case, and it's pretty standard. I mean, it's a couple of USB extenders, well, one USB extender actually, that one, and power button, reset button, pretty standard. It has, let's see, well, I presume that's for a fan, but that doesn't make a lot of sense because there's space down here for a fan, there's space here for the power supply unit. That's where the motherboard sits, so I presume, yeah, that's on the other side. This is obviously here, and you can plant 2 large fans on that, and I will. And yeah, I'm chuffed with that. Can't believe I got all this for so little money. I'm gonna put that back together now very quickly. Yeah, they go through there. Okay, that's easy. And grr. It's small inside, I'll give it that, but it is a very small internal space, but it's not ridiculously so. This went through there, I think. That's just an LED cable, and yeah, just pop this back on. Oh my god, that goes together so easily. That really just pops together so easily. Yeah, I have to say, going by the last few minutes, I would highly recommend one of these. It's quite solid. It's arrived in perfect condition. It's not ludicrously big. Actually, I might put this up there, but put it on its side. That could work. Yeah, it's not ludicrously big. It's not too small either. It's just about the right size for what I want it for. I'm freaking chuffed with this. It's exactly what I wanted. And miracle of miracles, it is precisely what was advertised on Amazon. Imagine that. Whoever would have thought that had happened. So yeah. Oh, and I just realized something. I want to see something beautiful. Those tabs, they're for liquid cooling. Guess what my big project next year is going to be? Liquid cooling the crap out of what's going into this. Oh my god, I'm so happy with this. So yeah, I got this for 12 euros on Amazon, and no postage. And it arrived. I ordered it last Wednesday. Today is Thursday, and it has arrived. It arrived like 15 minutes ago. Yeah. Oh, I love you. You and I are gonna have so much fun. I may anthropomorphize stuff like this a little bit. Anyway, I am going to leave things there. Shout out to my friend Rob, who has very generously given me a set of headphones because my Skull Candy died on Friday of last week. So thank you very much. I'm going to make something nice and chainmail-y for you. I know you're someone who does appreciate that. So yeah, that's about it really. I have a PC to build. So long, suckers. I'm joking, I'm joking. I will talk to you all Saturday morning. Probably. Hang on, is it Saturday? Today is Thursday and I'm recording this for tomorrow, which makes tomorrow for... Yeah, Saturday. It's late in the week and I'm kind of frazzled. Anyway. Bye.